I'm working on this system that will connect Hot Wheels track to wooden railway track. Because I've always kind of wanted the two systems to be compatible. Because here you can see we got a railroad crossing, and we got James from Thomas the Tank Engine able to cross over from one, from wooden track to this 3D printed road crossing track. So that's a 3D printer project I'm working on. And there's also these like custom connectors in here I'm working on. They're not great, they're not perfect, but they do work. They do allow you to connect track together. And the track does, if not maybe a little loose fitting, but it does connect to this. Now it's hard to do with one hand, unfortunately. I'm only holding my phone with that one hand, but there you go. Connect them together, grab a car, and then cross the railroad crossing. Now I was thinking maybe the railroad crossing shouldn't be this like steep in terms of like how, the ramp, right? The ramp on the crossing's a little steep, I think. But it does work. I might want to edit this to be a smoother transition. And yeah, I'm happy with how it's turning out. It's kind of annoying to get the dimensions right to connect everything together, unfortunately. So the connections aren't necessarily going to be perfect. On this end, it might be a little tight. Maybe a little loose back there. It's hard to say. And these are a little loose. So I'm tinkering with it to try to make it less loose. But I don't want to make it so tight that, you can't connect the parts together. So it's a process. We'll see if I can pull it off and as I continue to work on this little project of mine.